While others debated, Ethan Allen and the Green Mountain Boys acted, winning a daring victory that helped launch the fight for freedom. Welcome to Oliver's History Project, where you'll learn the exciting true history in the novel, The Unlikely Life of Oliver Atkinson. Before Revolution, the hills of Vermont were a battleground. Settlers resisted New York land claims, armed, organized, and defiant. Ethan Allen emerged as their bold leader, loud, fearless, and fiercely independent. Allen's militia, the Green Mountain Boys, were expert woodsmen, tough fighters, and loyal to their land above all else. In May 1775, Allen led a daring dawn attack on Fort Ticonderoga, capturing it without a shot fired. The victory delivered desperately needed cannons, later hauled to Boston, helping force the British out of the city. Allen's war was uneven, capture in Canada, imprisonment, and release, but his legend only grew. After independence, Allen championed Vermont's cause, helping it become its own republic, then the 14th U.S. state. Ethan Allen and the Green Mountain Boys proved the revolution was won not just by armies, but by locals who refused to yield.